Hello everybody, in this video we're going to talk about scalar multiplication. And before we begin, I just want to quickly point out, as mentioned in part 1, a scalar is just a magnitude, so a quantity that only has magnitude, and a vector is that magnitude with direction. So for example, if a car is traveling, for example, at 50 kilometers an hour, we say that this quantity is scalar because it's only got a magnitude, which is 50. But if we say that that car is now traveling at 50 kilometers an hour in the northeast direction, now that quantity is a vector because it's got the magnitude and its direction. Okay, so if the person driving that car now puts his or her foot down and is traveling at 150 kilometers an hour, we can say that the car is traveling 3 times as fast as it originally was. So this is 3 times the current vector. So if you were to draw that out, it would look like such. That looks about 3 times. So the length, of course, corresponds to the magnitude of the vector, and this is 150 kilometers an hour. So this gives us a physical sense, a physical intuition as to what scalar multiplication is. It is just taking a vector and multiplying its magnitude with a scalar. And that's important to note because the direction does not change. Okay, so now that we've got, like I said, a physical sense of what a scalar multiplication is, let's apply that to the Cartesian coordinates and look at it more traditionally, if you will. Okay, so if we have a vector, say, let's call it vector p, that goes from the origin to 1, 1, so right about there. Okay, so this vector is a unit vector because its magnitude is 1. But if we, and let's call it p, of course, so that's p, that's vector p. And if we want to write 3p, so p currently is 1, 1, but if we want to write, let's say 3p, so we're going to get, 3p, so that's just going to be 3 times what p is, and p is 1, 1, that's what its coordinates are. So then we're going to get 3 and 3. Okay, and that's not hard to intuit because all we do is we take this p and we're multiplying it 3 times. We're multiplying its magnitude 3 times. So we get a vector that looks like so. That's about 3 times. And so that's 3p. Likewise, we can also multiply our vector with a negative scalar. So if we multiply it, for example, by -2, so we get -2p. Again, we multiply the coordinates, its original coordinates, with the scalar to get -2 and -2. All right, so that would be right about there, and so there you go. That is vector -2p. Okay, so that's really all what scalar multiplication is all about. So in summary, just taking the vector and multiplying its magnitude with a scalar. All right, hope you guys got the concepts of scalar multiplication, and thank you for watching.